but they're not betting. Silkworm doesn't bet. See how lovely are they? Now, right here, you see, they're eating. How fast when they're searching the food. But the worm did not eat than the pandas. And they're not quite big like a panda. 24 hours eating, so the brush of this. And now we go to the way, move around, one by one. Can you see those? The little tiny fiber. You know, the silk of those is so fine around. You go add on the machine. So when the machine goes unwind it from a little hole, and it becomes in one of the silk strands like this. 10 goes in one. And now when they come in one piece of that, they just be stronger and thicker. That's the way it goes unwind and pulling the thread out. So when you hold it, you will get the temperature, but not hot. And that was just the temperature from your palm. And if you feel nothing be changed, just like what you're touching, forgot it. That's not the silk ones. That's the plastic one. So this is the real things. And silk, remember, when you go twist it like this, they should have the wrinkles, but they not wrinkle a lot. And when you just keep lying down, just in the well, you see the wrinkles was disappeared. Silk stretchable, but the fiber doesn't absorb the water. So that's why in the water they can stretch out, and that's easy to pull. And also you cannot get the smell from this. Yeah. So that's why that's really good for the allergies, good for the asthma. Yeah. But when we layer by layers.
Very labor intensive, isn't it?
You get the job in here.
Yeah.
You see, get slow, get even when it goes spreading out. Now the whole piece of the silk, they won't be tired. It just goes thinner and larger. So that was kind of like a wax. They become on the mattress. This is the whole step of the silk. You know, actually to make one silk coat, we need 100 times, which feels nothing. Yeah. Fiber, they won't absorb the moisture. So there are no weight, no pressure on the body. Yeah. And